We're on in 3, 2, live from New York, New York. Here's the Sabrina and Tommy Show.
Hi, I'm Tommy. And I'm Sabrina. And it's Tommy Sabrina Show. Sabrina and Tommy Show. Thank you. Breaking news. Sabrina and Tommy are fined $75,000 for copying the TV show Rachel Ray. As they call it, Rachel and Ray. And. Okay, now Sabrina should sing a song. Okay, how about something with Rihanna? Okay. Don't stop the music with you? Sure. It's getting late, I'm making my way going to my favorite place. I gotta get my body moving, shake that away. I wasn't looking for a perfect kind of day, yeah. Who do? Now let's do some of Tommy's and the column. Lesson 1, never keep a Scorpion in your back pocket. No. Ow. Lesson 2, always say you ate so you can eat desserts first. Yes. Lesson 3, never pet a stray cat. I mean, that's just ow. Now it's time for shampoo. Number 5. For that gorgeous one. Number 4, Suave Coconut. Number 3, Pantene Pro V for the homie G's. Number 2, VO5, yeah. And number 1 is nothing, because my mom didn't have any other shampoos. Okay.